Hello, my name is Kyle Morse, and this is a presentation on my business model for a startup in which I will be producing a device to assist in stringing lacrosse sticks. While advantages exist for using a traditionally strung stick over a mesh strung stick, traditional lacrosse sticks take an hour or more to string and are difficult to learn to do because of the necessity of complex weaving while keeping the leathers in line, so you can turn the picture on the left with the unstrung leathers into the picture on the right with the fully strung traditional sticks. While tennis has many different devices to assist racket stringers, such as the one pictured here, only one such device has entered the lacrosse market so far. I want to develop a simple device that can do the same for lacrosse head stringers that products currently do for tennis racket stringers. I have laid out a potential business plan for my startup in a business model canvas as developed by Alexander Osterwalder. Over the rest of this video, I will explain how each element of the canvas works for my business. Here is a picture of a competing product launched this summer to give you a better idea of how my product will work. In essence, it should function as an extra hand to hold the leathers while you weave string around them. The main problem this product should solve are reducing the time to string a stick and simplifying the process so most lacrosse players can string their own stick well. I plan to provide a better value proposition to my customers than my competitor by providing more customization for stringing and improving ergonomics. Flowing from my value proposition, the niche markets into which my consumer segments fall are professional stringers who want to increase their stringing productivity, and high school and college lacrosse players who want to string their own stick. As a college lacrosse player myself, I know that this product will interest college players, since a new rule on stick stringing will make traditional pockets more desirable if a player can string one. For the channels I will use to raise awareness of my product, I plan on using word of mouth of sorts on lacrosse blogs like Lacrosse All-Stars and lacrosse forums on similar sites to get the word out about my product. I can also selectively use Google AdWords, and I plan on setting up booths at various summer lacrosse tournaments as well. Forums will also be a great way to get feedback on my product. For product sales, I'm planning on using an online retailer like Amazon. While on the sales side, for customer relations, I plan to be as automated as possible with an online retailer. I want to take advantage of the close-knit lacrosse community to reach out to my customers and improve their experience. This will include product instruction and feedback on lacrosse forums like those seen here, as well as product demonstrations at summer tournaments. Starting out, the focus of my business will be on generating revenue simply by selling my product to the customers. Since the only competing product is priced at $250, the market is currently very open for competition with significant margins. Future revenue could also be generated from stringing material and tutorial sales. The key activities for satisfying my customers include product design, product production, marketing of the product, and sales of the product, under which I am also including the fulfillment of the sale through distribution. The key resources will include a small number of engineers and product designers. Intellectual property will also be a key component of my business to protect my innovations. Other key resources may include a 3D printer for rapid prototyping as well as materials. Since I won't be doing everything myself, agreements with my key partners will also be a key resource for my business. For my key partners, I will need a manufacturer, likely overseas, to minimize costs. I will also need a company like UPS to handle the fulfillment of my orders. I will want to take advantage of reviewers and the forums on sites dedicated to lacrosse, like Lacrosse All-Stars, for low-cost marketing. I will also need an online retailer for my product, like Amazon, as I mentioned earlier. Costs for my product for the work I am directly involved with will include salaries, legal fees for intellectual property and limited liability corporation formation, prototype equipment and materials, and to a certain extent, marketing and sales. Costs for activities such as manufacturing and distribution will depend on contract agreements worked out between me and my key partners.